In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit bank rules in QuickBooks Online using the Actions Edit option from the Rules list. Bank rules help QuickBooks categorize incoming bank transactions automatically, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Editing an existing rule is useful when your vendors change names, your chart of accounts is updated, or you simply want to fine-tune how transactions are handled. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, log into QuickBooks Online using your browser. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click Accounting. From there, select Rules. This opens the Rules page, where you'll see a table listing all the rules you've set up. You can scan the list to locate the rule you want to change. Sorting by name or last modified can help you find it quickly if you have a lot of entries. When you found the correct rule, move to the Actions column on the right side of that row and click Edit. This opens the rule editor where you can make precise updates without recreating the rule from scratch. Start by reviewing the rule name so it's clear and recognizable later. Next, check the Applied to setting to confirm which bank account or accounts this rule should affect. Keeping rules scoped to the correct account helps prevent unexpected categorizations. Look at the conditions, often based on description or bank text. These are the triggers that tell QuickBooks when to apply the rule. For example, if the bank text contains a specific vendor name or keyword, the rule will fire. Make sure your condition is specific enough to catch the right transactions without pulling in unrelated ones. Update the category to map the transaction to the correct account in your chart of accounts, such as an expense or income account. Set the payee to the appropriate vendor or customer so your reporting stays consistent. If helpful, add a memo to store context you want to appear on those transactions, like a subscription detail or internal note. If you use tax tracking in your region, choose the correct tax setting so that transactions include the appropriate rate. Finally, decide whether the auto-add setting should be on. Turning this on will automatically add matching transactions to your books, which is efficient but should be used carefully to avoid accidental misclassifications. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. Your updated rule will now work on future transactions as they come in. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.